Hello my followers and welcome to this tutorial. To follow up the Boeing 747 engines start procedure tutorial, I will show you today the after engine start and before taxi items procedures, and you will find the previous tutorials at the end screen of this video. After a complete engine start cycle, I perform some actions commonly known as the after engine start procedure. Starting with the APU, select off, hydraulic demand selectors set to auto, pressure amber lights out, aft cargo heat goes on, packs set to normal. Now I will do the before taxi items. My takeoff flaps today is 10, flaps set to 10. Now I will check my primary flight controls. Starting with the ailerons, I move my yoke to full left, then left aileron and spoilers position pointers should move fully up, while the right ones should move in the opposite direction to fully down. I bring my yoke now to neutral. These pointers should move now to neutral, as you can see here. Now I position my yoke to full right. Left ailerons and spoilers pointers should show a full downward deflection, while the right ones showing a full upward deflection. Now I release the yoke to neutral. All pointers are checked for neutral position. Now I check my elevator by moving my yoke fully forward. The elevator pointers should move fully up. I bring my yoke to neutral. These pointers should move to neutral. Now I push my yoke fully backward. The elevator pointers should move fully downward. I release my yoke to neutral. The pointers go back to neutral. Finally, I check my rudder controls using my rudder pedals. Pushing the rudder pedals fully to the right, the rudder pointers should move fully to the right. Releasing the rudder to neutral, the pointers should move to neutral position. Finally, I push my rudder pedals fully to the left. The rudder pointers should move fully to the left. Now I release the pedals to neutral to finish this check with all primary flight controls are at neutral positions. Now I push recall button, then the ICAS memo messages area should be clear except the TCAS off memo. Now for my departure flying mode, I will be using LNAV and VNAV, and I can arm them now. Now I need to remove the chocks. First I make sure that my parking brake is set. Then I go to my FMS CDU. I select menu page, then FS actions, ground connections. Finally, I hit the wheel chocks line select key to swap from set to removed. And we can confirm these actions from the external view. Before I start the taxi, I turn on my taxi light. In the next tutorial, I will discuss the takeoff procedure in detail. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.